The We Lead Mentorship Program, Igbodu, is an initiative of Rural Development and Reformation Foundation in partnership with Igbodu Development Union, supported by Union Bank of Nigeria PLC. It is a community-based mentorship program focused on building resilient leaders against all odds, who will be committed to developing themselves and their community.
The purpose of this entire program is to ensure that the young people in this community have a better access to quality education, to raise great leaders that are resilient despite the times we are in the country, that will change this community tomorrow and in turn change the country at large.
RUDEF's team paid a community assessment visit to Igbodu community in order to understand their challenges, to ensure the We Lead Mentorship Program is structured to be a sustainable solution to the most prevalent problem of youth leadership development. In conjunction with Igbodu Development Union, we interacted with the members of the community at large.
And as mentors of this program, we have promised with the mentors that we are going to put in our best to fast track this program, so that this program will have a positive impact on the lives of this young generation who will be future leaders. And from our look of this program, right from the first day started, we have seen that this program is going to be innovative, is going to be informative, is going to be educative on these children, and it will make them to have a sense of value, and it will impact positively on their lives.
The We Lead Mentorship Program, which is designed to harness community resources towards developing internal solutions to their problems, commenced with the identification and recruitment of experienced teachers, members of the community, and serving corps members to serve as facilitators for the program. The mentee orientation phase was executed with our team visiting public and private schools within the community to enlighten prospective beneficiaries on the benefits and impact of the program to them and their community. The recruited mentors were further empowered during an intensive training and curriculum review to ensure that the goals of the program are met in line with the community needs. The We Lead Mentorship Program also created a leadership library in the community school, which serves as a resource center for members of the community. The library is well equipped with books which cut across thematic areas such as leadership, goal settings, personal development, and more. It also houses the book club members and includes learning as well as development games. The opening ceremony of the We Lead Mentorship Program took place on the 28th of June 2018 and had in attendance representatives of partners, community stakeholders, the Ministry of Education and Ministry of Youth and Sports, as well as representatives of community schools benefiting from the program. The We Lead Mentorship Program, which has over 400 student beneficiaries, engaged the mentees in brainstorming sections, goal settings, book reviews, and diverse practical self-development and leadership topics. The mentees also went further to implement some community development projects within their capacity and initiative they got from the program. A mid-program community impact survey was conducted in Igbodu, utilizing questionnaires administered to parents, guardians, student beneficiaries, and community members to ascertain the impact of the program thus far on the community and its people. After which a second mentors development training was facilitated by Leap Africa for mentors to increase impact and improve also the quality of the mentorship program.
So Union Bank as an organization is committed to giving back to the environment in which we operate, and that covers a whole host of things. We have 3 CSR pillar areas. One is talent development, which covers youth, the arts, music, sports. We have a focus on agri and also financial literacy. So this project, working with the Igbodu community, falls under our talent development pillar. It's important that as an organization we are seen to and we support the societies in which we serve, Igbodu being one of them. So for us it's a source of pride, it's a source of duty that we're here to ensure that the young children that come through this community really move on in life and become something great and are able to also in turn give back to our nation today.
The We Lead Mentorship Program 2018 came to a close with a colorful ceremony showcasing the graduating beneficiaries, highlighting impact stories of beneficiaries in leadership.
My participation in this program has really changed my myopic view on leadership, that I has come to see leadership as a service to humanity rather than an opportunity for me to be served.
I found out that for you to be a leader, you have to be disciplined.
I'm very rough and tattered, but everybody knows that I can testify today. I'm now neat and I always come to school early.
Outstanding mentees and mentors who embodied the ideals of the program were given special awards, and a keynote speech was given by a seasoned facilitator to inspire and motivate both beneficiaries and guests towards contributing to and embracing development in all forms.
There is a high mark upon your life. You must know that you are born to fulfill a purpose. You have to be careful the way you live your life. If you live your life casually, you will end up a casualty.
On behalf of Union Bank, I thank you all for the opportunity to make a difference in this community. I wish everyone the best in their future endeavors. And I want to say that Union Bank is there for you. I will always stand by this community until every glory in the land manifests. And by God's grace, we shall not fail in this. Thank you very much. God bless you.